Welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Albert.
And I'm Ariana. Thanks for having me.
Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of faceless YouTube automation.
Totally. We'll explore how to set up workflows using n8n and AI APIs.
Sounds intriguing? So, what's the big idea behind faceless YouTube automation?
It's all about creating content without being on camera.
Interesting. That adds a unique layer of creativity.
Exactly. You can source visuals and audio, then automate the posting process.
Let's kick things off with the basics. What's n8n?
n8n is a powerful open-source workflow automation tool.
And how do we set it up for YouTube automation?
First, we need to set up APIs like DeepSeek, which helps in transcribing audio.
Awesome. So what's the first step?
Step 1 is signing up for the DeepSeek API, which is crucial.
Got it. And what's next after signing up?
You'll need to generate your API key in your DeepSeek account.
Is there a secret to not losing it?
Yes, make sure to copy it immediately. It's a one-time view.
Oh, wow, that could be a deal breaker.
For sure. Then you format that API key by adding bearer prefix.
Formatting is key. What's next?
Next, you add this formatted API key to n8n as a credential.
I can see the pieces coming together.
Exactly. Finally, you test the connection to DeepSeek.
And how do we test it?
You create a new workflow and add an HTTP request node.
Like a mini test drive.
Exactly. You'll enter the API endpoint and send a sample request.
What kind of response are you looking for?
A valid response, like a generated transcript, is ideal.
That's the signal to move forward.
Yes, after that, you'd continue configuring n8n with other APIs.
Which APIs should we consider next?
Well, 11 Labs is popular for generating audio.
And what's after that?
We'd set up the YouTube Data API for uploads.
Uploading sounds like where the magic really happens.
Exactly. It's like bringing everything together.
What's a common pitfall here?
Missing an API permission can derail the whole workflow.
That's a good tip. Let's shift gears a bit.
Sure, testing your entire workflow is critical.
How do we do that?
You can run each node individually before running them all.
That seems like a failsafe.
Right? Plus, debugging is much easier that way.
What about a final checklist?
Yes, keep track of steps you've completed.
This sounds like a powerful way to create content.
Absolutely. The creativity is limitless.
If listeners want to dive in, what should be their first step?
Start by signing up for your favorite APIs and experiment.
That's a perfect starting point. Thanks, Ariana.
My pleasure, Albert. Happy creating.
And to our listeners, until next time, keep exploring.